what's up? Today on Masters at Wagtail. What are y'all method? Comment below and let me know what method y'all use to get this clean. Now, you may or may not have fingerprints and about from here down to here, and then maybe below if there's kids involved. So the fingerprints is always chest level or waist level. We can all agree upon that, okay? Now, what is your method? If a door is predominantly clean and they just have fingerprints, maybe one or two spots, like right here, you could just take your rag and buff that out if it's a maintenance clean. Now, maintenance cleans doesn't mean you clean every piece of glass. You just make it presentable. But let's say there's times where, because you're a maintenance clean, there will be times where one or two initial cleanings, you'll have to clean the whole glass. And based on the setup of your French panes, depends on the method that one is going to take. For instance, here we have fake cutouts. So what do you think happens if you put a whole bunch of water and clean these French panes? It'll bleed. You'll clean it, catch the drip, leave, come back. You'll go check on it. It'll bleed. You'll have to clean it again. Turn your back, come back next time to find out that it bled again. So it's a never-ending process. Once you get water lodged behind there, there's a couple of ways if you make a mistake. Because you may or may not know right off the back if this is real or fake. One way you could tell is to pick at it. And if hypothetically, if you do get a lot of water lodged behind there, just take it and keep going like that until it slaps all the water out of that crevice. You feel me? Just keep pulling on it wherever you think you put too much water on there. Then you'll have to go and do some more windows and then come back. I know it may seem like a lengthy process, but that's the mistake you have to pay if you're not paying attention. All right, so the best tool for these squeegee-wise is just this. Let me show you what I mean. Because the pad is lubricated, right? All right, it's lubricated. You can see that. So what you do, if there's dust and not fingerprints, you won't have to worry about too much water. If you do see a fingerprint or two, you could agitate, but not much. And you can't have much water on your one pass. Just take it in the corner. Dig a couple times and come straight across. Dig a couple times and come straight across. All right? Same thing with this. You saw that fingerprint earlier I told you about? Just take it, boom, straight across. Take it, boom, straight across. All right? That's the best way, and I guarantee you there will be no water coming down that crevice. Because it's a one-pass tool, it's catching most of the water, so it alleviates that problem. But this is Masters at Wagtail with another little handy tip for French panes. Now, obviously, this really wasn't the correct size. You can get it in almost, well, it's not quite, but 2 pulls, but you want to have it sized up where you can get it just a little bit over half, not all the way. You know what I'm saying? So an idea French pane size would be for this window would be right about here. That would be idea size. because if you wanted to cut in on an angle and just come straight down like that and then cross pull, that size would be ideal. But you can just cut one to size and just go straight down and eliminate 2 pulls altogether. But if you're going to do that, you'll have to make a 1 pass and cut it down. Like if I wanted to make it smaller, I would just cut this channel down. But all right, Macafrackalacka, peace, peace, peace.